Welcome to the Chapel Library. One of my favorite classes in college was World Religions. That's where I first read holy books other than the Bible. Very eye and brain opening. In seminary I studied the Bible in Hebrew and Greek and took classes from Jews and Buddhists, Protestants, Catholics, many more. And then during 25 years of ministry I taught and led discussions on all the scriptures of the world. Here are a few. The Tao, Sayings of Confucius, the Dhammapada of Buddha, the Bhagavad Gita, the Upanishads from India, the Quran, with a K on this one, and of course the blue and true Bible. Jews and Christians and Muslims still haggle over whose religion is more Bible-based. Don't you just love the Bible battles of believers? I don't think any of these books are really helpful anymore. Some good stories, some fine wisdom, nice bits of inspiration now and then, but haven't we outgrown the holy books? Come on, it's just not helpful to divide the world up any longer by claiming one book is the best message for humanity. Besides, doesn't it make sense? If God ever said anything, wouldn't it be simply care about the world that you live in, care about each other, get on with it, and stop trying to live by old words that just make the world more dangerous and complicated? I'm with John Muir. Nature's the only holy book we'll ever need. Happy reading.